And although our bodies are bounded with skin and we can differentiate between outside and inside, they cannot exist except in a certain kind of natural environment. Meaning, ultimately, we need a natural environment and a very good place that's absolutely godly for our existence. And if we do not have a natural, composed, authentic external environment in which we can live and exist and operate with our optimum character, with our absolute authentic expression, and also with the differentiation of our character, integrity, morality, understanding, etc., then we cannot live either. So, obviously, no doubt, or there is no question, suspicion, or skepticism regarding our own harmony, miracle, and magic that we are and that we also have within ourselves, because we're body and skin at the same time. Our bodies are bounded with skin and we can differentiate between outside and inside, but we ultimately cannot ever exist. And the life of happiness, progress, growth, learning, experience, maturity, understanding, if there is no natural environment, if there is no natural environment for us to exist and to live, operate, function with all of our qualities, talents, authenticities, etc. And that means we definitely always and desperately need an environment that's absolutely indisputable, unflinching, unstoppable, that is natural, universal, created by something else entirely, developed by the universal forces, shaped by superior powers and greater entities, something that just cannot be built by mankind, something that's absolutely magical and miraculous, and that is the nature, the natural realm, and all of its components and creations that are absolutely divine and unquestionable and unstoppable. And in the midst of that, we can definitely exist, we can definitely live with food, character, oxygen, without any of our inventions or creations, because that's how pleasant the nature is. Obviously, we are complete in ourselves, but without a natural environment, without a powerful space, we cannot live with our absolute expression and distinction and differentiation either. And that place is nature itself, nature in its entirety: hills, rocks, flowers, plants, streams, lakes, and all that composes and combines nature. So we need nature and all of its elements, compositions, creations at the same time for our absolute existence, for our life of meaning, purpose, significance, authenticity, talent, success, understanding, etc. So our bodies are not going to be enough. Now the body is absolutely magical, but apart from that, we need a sovereign natural environment, and that is nature itself.